Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade ice cream with fresh fruits. Alright friends, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all we're going to need strawberries, and if you don't have strawberries you can actually replace that with pineapple. Pineapple have a really nice good flavor, and also it has a good health benefit that you can use that to replace this strawberry if you cannot have some. All right, so first of all I've just washed my fruit, and then we're going to clean it really well, and also we're going to transfer that into the blender very soon. So next I have here a whole avocado, or Ghana you call it pear. Yeah, so you can use a whole avocado for this recipe. Just go ahead and then remove the seed and then get it ready. All right friends, so next we're going to be using some ripe banana right here, and we're using just one, but if you're making like a large quantity or a huge quantity you can use as much as you can, or you can even use any fruit of your preference. Just follow the same procedure and you make the exact same ice cream for your family. Next I have here my blender, so I'm using my smoothie blender and I'm going to transfer all my fruits in there. And next I'm going to be adding some milk. So I have here a whole milk, this is organic, and I'm going to be adding about 1.5 cups of whole milk. Okay, and next we are going to add the half one right here, as I told you, and then we're gonna cover that. Okay, so cover it and then blend that into a very nice and smooth consistency. That is what you need for this recipe. So after it's done blending, go ahead and transfer that into a very nice and clean bowl, and then we're going to be adding some milk in the can as well. So I'm using this particular one, it's very popular in Ghana, and after you add that, go ahead and add your condensed milk as well. So I'm going to use this condensed milk to replace sugar, but if you feel like you're gonna add more sugar you can, but condensed milk have enough sweetness in it and that should be fine. So next I have ice cream flavor that I just added. It's about half teaspoon, and also I'm going to add my vanilla extract, and this is about 1 teaspoon. Okay, and then go ahead and mix everything really well, and after you mix everything well, it is nicely done. Just go ahead and taste it just to make sure that you have the right amount of sugar that you really need in this recipe. And definitely this should be okay because the condensed milk has a lot of sugar in it anyways. All right, so I have here my ice cream containers that I really love, and I purchased this from online, from Amazon. But if you are in the US, you can get some from Walmart. But I believe that if you are in Ghana, you can actually get some from Opoku Trading or Melcom. I think those popular stores that they have. I'm not really sure though. I'm not 100% sure, but you can definitely find it somewhere, or you can find anything that is convenient for you. Okay, friends. So after you're done with everything, you cover it nicely. Go and leave it in the freezer for about 4 hours or overnight, and just like that it is ready. It is so hot outside, it is summertime. This is the best recipe for you and your family. If you don't really want to go and eat ice cream from outside, you can just make this healthy fruit ice cream for your family, and trust me, they will be really happy for that. All right friends, so this is how I make my homemade ice cream with fruit, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to share and like and comment. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.